वेलकम स्टूडेंट, आपका यूट्यूब चैनल शंकर कोचिंग में स्वागत है। मैं प्रोफेसर प्रेम शंकर आज क्लास 9th का मैथ्स NCERT का चैप्टर 1 नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ाने जा रहा हूं। आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए और अगर कोई डाउट हो तो उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Let's start number system. In the number system, we study one by one all these topics: introduction, number line, types of real number, operations, and exponents. Now, introduction of the number system. In this number word is there. So we will first of all we will see what are the types of numbers. So for types of number, actually we started from the counting numbers. Counting numbers means like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the counting numbers. And if we add 0 to this counting number, means natural number, we got the whole number. And if we add it here, negative of this number, then we got the integers. And if we will take the number in the p by q form, then it is a rational number. And if we not able to represent it in the p by q form, then it is a irrational number. So I am coming one by one. So natural number, first one is a natural number. Natural number, we represent it by n. Natural number represented by n, and we write it as a 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is the natural number or counting number. Then we come to the next one, the whole number. Whole number. We represent this by a W. This is the whole number. In the whole number, we just add a 0 here in the natural number. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is the whole number. Now come to the next one is the what? Next is the integers. Integers. In the integers, we take what? Negative also, negative of the natural number, combining with the whole number. So we will get the integers. So it will be of 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And here it is -1, -2, -3. Now next one is what? The number which can represent in the p by q form. Suppose it is a p by q form number, where always we remember q is not equal to 0. So this is, if it is in the p by q form, then it is rational number. The rational number. Now if you are not able to represent in the p by q form, then it is nothing but is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. Generally, the number which is in the root, that is your irrational number. So, and one more number is the decimal number. When you change the p by q form into decimal, so that means that is the decimal number. So we used to study about the decimal number also. The irrational number, if it is in the decimal form, so we will see later on. In the irrational case, it is the case of the non-terminating, non-recurring. We will study later on. Non-terminating and non-recurring is called the irrational number. Now let us see the next topic, that is the number line. Number line means what? We just represent whatever the number you have to give in on the number line, that is meaning of that one is the representation on the number line. So there are three things in which we can represent it on a number line, seeing the number system. First one is suppose root of any natural number is given, root of any natural number, and the second one is any decimal number, root of x, where x is what? X is the decimal number. And the third one is when any number is given, whether it is rational, irrational, or in the whether it is irrational, so it must be in the decimal form. So that is p by q form. So p by q, it will be in the form of decimal. It will be in the form of decimal. So these three are the different types when we represent all these three on the number line. So let's suppose the first one I am taking the first one. In the first one case, we have the root of any natural number, means it can be your root n, it can be your root 3 or root 5 or root 7, like this. We want to represent this root of the natural number on the number line. So how we represent it? First one. So in this case, root 3 is given. So how we do it? See, first of all, I will simply draw a one unit line. One unit line. This is one unit line. Then on this one unit line, we draw another unit line. Another unit line in this way. So this is what, how much? This is 1 unit, this also 1 unit. So the value will be here. What will the value? The value will be here, root 2, and the root 2 value. So how to represent this root 2 on the number line? So let's suppose I will take what? I will take this as an origin. I will take this as an origin and make a, suppose this is the what? This is the number line. So I will make what? I will make an arc here. From here to here, I will make an arc. Suppose it cut is from OB. Suppose this is B point. So this is the OB, the value of OB, that is equal to root 2. In the similar manner, we can find the root 3, root 5 also. So for example, for the root 3, how we will draw the root 3? You have the center here. This is starting with 0. The same process is there. Same process is there. This is the same process here. 0. Then this is the 1 unit. This is 1. This is how much the value? This is the root 2. Then the root 2. Again we draw the 1 unit more. If we draw the 1 unit more, so what? How this? If I make it from here to here, this is the value of root 3, and we want to represent it on the number line. So taking this as a center, I make the arc here from here to here. This point is your B. So OB is equal to root 3. Next, I will take the decimal number when root x is given. Let us take the second case when root of a decimal number is given. So what I am doing, I am taking x. this x is any decimal number. This x is any decimal number. So how to find it? This one, root of x. So first, in the first step, what I will do, I will draw this AB. It is A, and here it is B. This the value of this AB is x. This is given as a x. Now what I will do, I will extend this one up to 1 unit more. So this is, let's suppose, C. Now I will find the midpoint of the AC. Let's suppose it is somewhere here, and this point is, this is the O point. Then what I will do, I will make a semicircle, like semicircle in this way. So the semicircle, and I draw a right angle at this point. This is your B, and this is D. Now, if I want to root of this decimal number x, so that is given as a BD, and so root of x, this is equal to BD. So how we find the value of BD? So this BD square, this is BD square, is equal to your OD square minus OB square. OD square minus OB square. So what is the value of OD? So value of OD is nothing but this is equal to AO, this is equal to OC. So this is also equal to how much? X plus 1 by 2. Let's suppose the next step I want to the value of OB. So how I want to the value of OB? So OB is equal to how much? This OB is equal to, this is equal to how much? This is equal to your AB minus AO. AB minus AO. That is also equal to, AB is equal to, that is x minus x plus 1 by 2, and this is equal to x minus 1 by 2. Now if I put the value in the BD, these equations, so the BD square is equal to OD square x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is equal to how much? This is your 4x divided by x. So this is equal to 4x divided by x. So how much? Sorry, this is not 4x by x. This is equal to how much? This is equal to 4x divided by 4. So this is equal to how much? This is equal to x. That is the value of PD is equal to under root x. I am taking one example. Suppose I want to represent 9.3 on the number line. I want to put the 9.3 on the number line. So how I represent this one? First of all, I will draw the 9.3, and then I will take the 1 unit from here. This is, let's suppose, A, B, and here it is C. Now what I will do, I will make a semicircle here, semicircle. Then I will put a right angle here. This is a semicircle center O. So BD is equal to how much? The value of BD is equal to, this is your 9.3. So this is your root over 9.3. Now, so this is geometrically. Now let's suppose I want to represent it on the number line. I will take OB as a center and this B I will make it here. Let's suppose this is E. So the BE is equal to under root 9.3 on the number line. Now the next one is when simply decimal number is given, we will given the P by Q form, that is changed into decimal number. Let's suppose I want to represent this 5.37 bar on a number line. So how we solve this one on a number line? So it will be your nothing but 5.3777. Let us suppose I am interested in after decimal 2 digit. So it will be 5.38. If I am interested in 3 digit, so it will be 5.378. So I have this will be equal to how much? 5.378. So representing this on a number line, how I will do it? First of all, I will take here 5 and at this point I will take the 6. Then I will take the next one 5.3 and then next one is 5.4. Then next one is 5.37 and it is your how much? 5.37 and here it is 5.38. So this is the way how to represent any decimal number on the number line. 5, then here it is 6, 5.3, then 5.4, 5.37, 5.38. Now we represent this one. Here it is 5. So I will divide this all in the 10 equal parts. I will divide this in the 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now where we will represent? This is 5.1, 5.2, this is your 5.3. So this point is nothing but this is your 5.3. Now the next one is 5.37. So 5.31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37. So this is nothing but this is 5.37. Now next one is how much? 5.38. 5.378. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this point is your 5.378. So we are representing it one by one. So sometimes it is called successive magnification method. So this is all about number line and representation. Now we will see the case of the decimal number. Suppose the decimal number is given as a P by Q form of the decimal number is given, and this I am changing into decimal number. Suppose I am changing into decimal number. So if I will change this into decimal number and I will get the remainder 0, so in that case that is called the terminating one. I am giving a simple example. Suppose 37 is given and I do it 5. So how much it will be? It will be your 5, 37, 32.6.4, 20. So this is 37 by 4, 5 is called the terminating one. Now for the non-terminating, the remainder will be not 0. For example, I am taking 22 by 7. So if I will take the 22 by 7, how much I am getting? This is your 3, 21, 1, then 0.0, 1, 7, 3, 4 and so on. So this is your non-terminating. In the non-terminating, there are again two cases. One is recurring and another is not recurring. For the recurring case, let's suppose I am taking 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 is how much? 3 and 10. 3 3 is 9, 1.0. 3 3 is 9, 1, 0. See, here it is repeated. So that is the meaning of that one is what? That means this is non-terminating and not recurring. Now let's suppose I want to find the rational number in between two numbers. How I find it? The rational number between two numbers and irrational number between two. So for rational number, there is one method that is the mean method for the rational case. There is mean method is there and one is the equal denominator method. For example, 3 by 2 is here and another 5 by 7. So for the mean method, how I will do? So I will take what? I will take the mean of this one, 5 by 7 divided by 2. So this is in between these two for the rational case. Another method is equal denominator method. For example, the same thing is given and I want the rational number in between these two. How I will find it? So for finding, I will make the denominator equal. So I will multiply it by 7. This by 7. So how much it is? 21 by 14. Similarly here 5 by 7. 2 into 2. So how much it is? It is 10 by 14. Now in between you have to find. So obviously this in between. You have the how much? Is 11, 12, 13, 14. In that way, you will find the in between this one. 21 by 14 and 10 by 14. Now, what about the irrational case? In the irrational case, what can we do? We simply divide that one. And then we will find the number in between the irrational. Suppose two irrational numbers are given. 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So how much the value of 1 by 7? So 1 by 7 is equal to how much? This is equal to your point. This is 0.1, 1, then 4, 0.14, and then how much? 5, 0.15 and so on. Similarly for 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is how much? This should be a 7. 7 divided by 2, 0.0740. 28, not 28, it should be here. 7 to 14, and 6, 0, 7 5 7 5 7 5 8 7 56, and here is 4 5 35 and 5 and so on. So this is your for the case of the 0.85. Now whatever the number in between these two, that will be the irrational number between these two. Now we see the operation of rational number and irrational number. See, in the irrational number, the main case is there must be one number that is in the root of that one. So operations are, your 4 operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's suppose I am taking the case, first of all, I will taking the case of addition. In the case of addition, let's suppose I have 2 irrational number, 2 plus root 5 and 3 minus 2 root 5. Let's suppose I want to add it. So how I will add it? So first of all I will write 2 plus root 5, then here it is 3 minus it is here 2 root 5. Now I have to add it. So for adding 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, and here it is how much? Minus root 5. So it is 5 minus root 5 for addition. Now come to the next one, that is the subtraction. In the subtraction, suppose I am taking the subtraction case. Suppose I want to subtract 3 plus 2 root 7 and 2 minus root 7. I want to subtract these two. So how I will subtract these two? 3 plus 2 root 7. Here it is 2 minus root 7. For subtracting, I will change the sign here. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. And this is your plus 3 root 7. So this is the subtraction process. Now the next one is, suppose I want to multiply, multiplication. So how I multiply? So in the multiplication case, suppose I want to multiply 3 root 5 to 4 root 5. So how much it is equal to? If you multiply 3 root 5 into 4 root 5, you will get how much? You will get the 12 into 5, that is equal to 60. Now the next one is your division. So in the case of division, let's suppose I want to divide 3 root over 15 and I want to divide it by 4 root 5. So how I will divide it? So this is nothing but 3 root 15 by 4 root 5. So this is equal to your 3 root 5 into root 3. Here it is 4 root of 5 cancel. So 3 by 4 root 3. So this is the case how you do the operation in the rational number and irrational number. So the next one is the exponents. Exponents means what? Suppose 2 to the power 3 is given, then 3 is called the exponent. Suppose we have given 4 to the power 2, then 2 is called the exponent. So what is the value of 2 power 3? It is nothing but 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. 4 to the 2, that is 4 into 4, that is 16. So in the general way, we will see some formulas. Let's suppose the numbers are given 8 to the power m and 8 to the power n. Similarly, we have b to the power m and b to the power n. Let's suppose in this way the numbers are given. This A and B, this is called the base. And what about m and n? This m and n is called the exponent. It is exponents. Now we see some formulas of the exponent. We have, let's suppose, number first one is 8 to the power m into 8 to the power n. So this is equal to how much? This is equal to 8 to the power m plus n. Similarly, let's suppose I have 8 to the power m to the whole to the power n. So it is 8 to the power mn. For third formula will be 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n. So this is equal to 8 to the power m minus n. And last formula will be, let's suppose I have b to the power m into b to the power n, then this is equal to b to the power m into n. And one more formula is there, that is a to the power m by n. This is equal to under root a, here it will be n whole to the power m, or this is equal to under root n am, like this. So these are the formulas for the exponent, and I am taking one example. Suppose I have to find 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 5. So this is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus 5, that is equal to 3 to the power 7. Similarly, suppose I want to find 3 to the power 2 into 5. So this is equal to how much? 3, 2 into 5, 3 to the power 10. Suppose I want to find 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. So this is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 3, that is 2 to the power 2. And let's suppose I have 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. So I will get what? 3 to the power 2 into 3, that is 3 to the power 6. And let's suppose I have given a, let's suppose the number is given 7 to the power 2 by 3. So I can write it into this way, under root, this should be 3, 7, And this is how much? This is whole to the power. This is 2, not 2, this is your 3. And this is 2. Or this is also equal to under root. What will be the value here? This is 3. And A is how much? 7. And this is your 2. So this is all about exponents. Thanks for watching video. If you like the content of the video, you please like, subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any doubt, write in the comment box.